everyone, this is Winifred Arnada Hopia from BSA1 Block B. And the subject QTS is asking what are the major problems or what is the major problems present in Aurora Zamboanga del Sur and how we as a student can lift that kind of problem. So as I do my research, one of the major problems of Aurora Zamboanga del Sur is the lack of public and private hospitals. So because of this, people need to travel to other towns just to get medical help, and which causes delays during emergencies. This puts children, pregnant women, and the elderly at greater risk since immediate treatment is not always available. So without a hospital, the community also faces limited health education, fewer vaccination services, and difficulty accessing affordable medicines. This affects the overall safety and well-being of our residents in Aurora Zamboanga del Sur. So as a student, how can I help or how can we help the residents of Aurora Zamboanga del Sur? So we can help by promoting basic health practices in our school or in our barangays, such as proper hygiene and dengue prevention. We can also join groups like youth camps or youth groups for support health campaigns and raise awareness about the need for better health facilities. Even simple actions like participating in cleanups and sharing correct health information can contribute to improving the community's health situation.